just back from 4th of July weekend up the lake, and I have had this box waiting for me in the garage, and I think it's time to open it. So let's do that. Again, from our friends, Cincinnati, Ohio, Arteflame. Let's see what we got now. Ooh. So this, my friends, is Arteflame's pizza oven attachment. That is the top. Yes, yes. Another beautiful Arteflame grill insert. Looks like use your lifter tool. Boom. The Arteflame is a little wet. Had a little storm last night. That's okay. And that puppy will go right over there. Pizza will slide in and out. So we'll be trying this sometime this week. Can't wait to fire it up. Arteflame pizza oven accessory.